1609, Venice. A rumor spread about a Dutch toy, a spyglass that made distant ships look close. Merchants saw profit, generals saw a weapon. But Galileo Galilei saw the keys to the universe. While everyone looked down at the horizon, he did something forbidden. He pointed the tube up. Aristotle taught that the heavens were perfect, smooth, divine. But when Galileo looked at the moon, he didn't see God. He saw scars, mountains, valleys, craters. It was a rock, just like Earth. Then he looked at Jupiter. He saw 4 little stars dancing around it. Night after night, they moved. Proof. Not everything orbited the Earth. The Church's universe was crumbling. But truths can be dangerous. When he published his findings, the Vatican didn't applaud. They were terrified. The Bible said the Earth was still. Galileo said it moved. One of them had to be wrong. (1633). The old man was dragged to Rome, not as a hero, but as a criminal. The Inquisition was waiting. The instruments of torture were ready. They gave him a choice: burn like Bruno or lie. He chose life. On his knees, he read a prepared confession. I abjure, curse, and detest the error that the earth moves. He saved his life, but he lost his soul. Or did he? Legend says, as he stood up, he whispered the most rebellious words in history. Epo si muove. And yet, it moves. He spent his last years under house arrest, blind and isolated. But they couldn't stop his mind. In the darkness, he laid the foundations of modern physics. The truth doesn't need permission to exist. Galileo showed us how to see. He taught us that authority is not truth. Truth is authority. This was number 98. Next, we meet the man who caught lightning in a jar. Subscribe.